Up Gunners!
Hello, my people. How on a day? This is the voice of Ajita Abraham Paul, the longest man on the microphone center. Arsenal's number one. And I know, so you know, saying me still be your favorite local man. Anywhere you listen from, this not the best pigeon podcast ever. Will be Up Gunners NG, also the unofficial pigeon podcast of every Arsenal fan worldwide. I just here to give you small talk on the issue of the current Braha, where they go out for inside the world of football, will be about the European Super League palaver. Not be small issue for inside Europe, as the best clubs for inside Europe, the big clubs, the likes of Real Madrid, Barcelona, the people saying at them, they make the calls for inside Europe. They say they want separate, come out for inside UEFA Champions League. They want form their own European Super League. We say that money go the flow, they enter for them just for participating. Any club will participate could get 310 million euros, and for winning they will get over 500 million euros. When if say even person will win Champions League 7 are like 100 million in they collect. This money gap difference too much. You can't drag like 12 clubs together, namely Real Madrid, Manchester United, Barcelona, Atletico Madrid, Liverpool, Chelsea, Arsenal, Tottenham Hotspur, AC Milan, Juventus, Inter Milan. They drag all of them together, but them being 115 clubs be the founding members of the European Super League. Be like say clubs like Dortmund, PSG, and Bayern Munich, them say them, they no go get hard for inside that kind of team. Sake of say you go kill football. Them say because you no get to qualify to the competition as a founding member, as long as say you are part of the people see them found the competition together. Any year where they want player, you must always they come play. You do well for your league or you not do well. So true that one it be like say you go feel ruin football, because the dream of every club now to play for the biggest stage, and to play for the biggest stage you must perform well at the previous season before you go come play for the previous stage. Just like the way Leicester come from relegation, enter inside Premier League, enter top 4, carry league, then go play Champions League again. And the dream of every football club be that. But now they be like say the big clubs now, they want Colombia everything, they want make everything they their hand. But more look from another angle. The old first division, now from there this new Premier League take break come out. Yes, we go fit talk say teams they feel relegate, teams they feel promote. But more not forget say this greed where they use they talk say these people want bring European Super League are they involved in. They say greed they their eye, they say their eye to the chook for money. Now the same way the eyes of the people, the clubs, the founding members of Premier League they chook for money, we could not forget. That's why them break come out for inside the old first division. The same way UEFA create Nations League. The same way UEFA they propose to expand the Champions League to 36 teams, and also to expand the Europa League, and also to create another competition that they call Europa League Conference. When it say teams who don't qualify for Champions League and Europa League from their league table, they go fit go that one. It will be the third tier of European football. All this one self, not to gather money. So they're not supposed to talk say the teams for inside Super League, now money them they all about. No, you're not supposed to come out from FIFA at all. My one have say, may they just conquer for that level. May them just keep quiet. May them make sure no for that level. If they want fight the corruption, may them fight her. May they know they talk say, and because of money, and I make some kind of teams they want come out for inside Europa, UEFA Champions League, go form their own. Because that talk no be talk way sweet at all. Because now the same greed, I make them go find new competition in Nations League. And also the expand Champions League, Europa League, and also to create a Europa League, Europa Conference League. So we then just forget that talk about money. Also, the way that they fight this European Super League. So if now the same energy, now they carry give racism, and the way officials they perform poorly for inside competitions. Me, I very sure say racism don't go now. And I want knock players who say their club inside European Super League ban. Lifetime ban, so they're not going to play for Euros. They're not going to play for their various continental cups. They're not going to play for World Cup. But I just give only 10 match ban to play where they confirm say na racist team be. That one no be juro so. A player will be say he abide by the contract where he sign, the professional contract where he sign. And I want punish him because in club, because of the decision where we say no be him maker, na in club maker. But no fit punish person wey say he call person monkey for top field, and I no fit punish person say he call person use racial slur on person. Also, this energy, and I no fit channel am into the way referee they misbehave. Referees they do obvious errors. No be mistake again. They do obvious bad calls. They make decisions wey say koro like this. We dey see am say this decision they wrong, but no fit hammer them. No fit carry this sledgehammer so that they carry come outside to take naka these people where they want form Europa Super League. No fit carry am take naka the people who say they do bad things for inside the world of football. Financial fair play rule they there. Then no fit uphold that one. But na Europa Super League na there on a bone strong UEFA. Things no really if na so it dey be, it no really they go well. The same energy for every bad team. After all, UEFA and FIFA, we don't see over the years, say they be corrupt institution. Former UEFA boss, Michel Platini, and former FIFA boss, former UEFA boss, Michel Platini, and Sepp Blatter, who is former FIFA boss. The two of them now pursue them, come out. Charge them, go court for corruption. And that corruption don't they institutionalize. You don't dey inside the institution, you no go dey easy to come out. We know all this one. So make them forget to talk about greed. But for me, I don't think say it dey okay. Maybe say the people say that they make the calls for inside Europe just gather to form new competition, and they're not going to qualify from their various leagues. No, not supposed to do like that. At least if I go form something like that, they're not supposed to qualify, but when I feel just say okay, the founding members. Blah blah blah. Then I go find a way. UEFA go absorb that competition into their calendar. Maybe just bench the Champions League. Champions League will become the second tier, just like that. Because competition we don't qualify to, what we say no free relegate from. Then that will not be competition again. Now money sharing competition with that. Now money sharing with that. Not be competition again. And I dey wonder why UEFA they give this club sponsor money. Because we know say the money they grab. Maybe that's one of the reasons why the clubs they want separate come out for inside UEFA. Because they feel say them supposed to collect money past waiting UEFA they give them. The truth be say everybody just got sit down for that table, make them discuss this thing. Because last, if now one ban players, it go affect football in a negative way. More just look what thing go happen, sha. More look what thing go shele. We don't say last. The dust go settle. I will go see waiting day under waiting day hidden. We go see everything clear. Because I don't forget, say my name is still Ajida Abayomi Paul. That me be the longest man on the microphone center. That me be Arsenal's number one. And that me still be on our favorite local man. Until next time where I'm gonna bring my 2 cents and my own opinion on top of this podcast. My people, make you enjoy.
Up Gunners!
This production is brought to you by
Tony Dog
Media.
Be sure to share the podcast on your favorite social media channels.